Yo, Karala Fretta! My name is Arnoldur, and today I have something special for you guys. So, I've been watching this guy Evan Ranft for a pretty long time right now. If you don't know who that guy is, he is a super good photographer. You should definitely go check out his YouTube channel. I'll link it in down below. He does some tutorials, but what he also does is a photo vlog. And you know, I'm doing 1 year challenge on Instagram, so I really need photos. And Evan, if you were watching this right now, you inspire me, man.
Ooh, yeah. Need to press it first. Almost. Ooh. Listen to the sound.
Alright, so this happens, when you try to, vlog and do your thing at the same time. But luckily I know how to clean after myself. So, I was telling you guys about Evan Ranft. So, Evan Ranft, like I told you guys, is a photographer. And he has a thing on his channel that I'm completely addicted to. It's his photo vlog. Basically, he just goes out and takes photos. And he puts a GoPro on so you get the first person perspective on it. And then he does a voiceover talking about everything he was thinking while he was, taking the photos. And it's so much fun to see, what the photographer was thinking while he was, taking the photos. And I thought to myself, hey, I should definitely try this, It might be super, super fun. Or it's boring. I don't know. You don't know until you try, right? So let's just, finish this coffee and, get maybe this on and get out, okay? You ready? Okay, so we are outside right now. I have my sweater on. It's a nice cloudy day here in Reykjavik. I didn't find my microphone, so if the sound is pretty bad, I'm sorry, but I found, a spot which has no wind, which is pretty rare for Reykjavik. Anyways, I'm gonna head, downtown to a place, where they're a little bit less touristy. So hopefully there are not so many people, but hopefully we can catch some of them. And there are really nice houses. Also, like if you go check my Instagram, I usually always go outside and take my photos during, the sunset, because the colors are, epic. But it's a cloudy day right now, and like honestly, cloudy days are pretty cool, everything is so soft lit, and yeah, I think we should just start this. You guys ready? Go promote it. 1, 2. I'm just messing with you. Go promote now. Alright, so the camera that I'm using is the Sony a6300, and the lens I'm using at the moment is the 18-105 from Sony. So here I'm just, warming up. I'm getting a little bit feel for the environment. I saw this graffiti on the wall and I'm trying to frame it here, and I really like graffiti. So this is the shot. This is, it's nothing special. I would have maybe posted, but for a warm-up, I pretty like it. It's pretty raw, rough, my style. I like it. So next up, I found, these yellow flowers, okay? And here I was like, okay, what can I do with this? Try them out, and I'm like, damn, these colors are pretty fresh. I like this, but I think there are more we can do. So, I squatted down and I started, trying to create another frame. And as you can see, there is something missing here, a person. So I kid you not, guys. I waited and waited and waited for, I don't know, a long time until somebody, came. And I felt like a sniper, a little bit like a creep too. But finally, bam! This person came. I snapped the photo. She totally looked at me like I was a weirdo. And boom! What you know? It's a really nice photo. I like this one. This one I will post. It has the colors. It has a subject. It has a line. I like this, okay?
Alright, so it's time to switch lenses. On my left I had this yellow house, and I really want to get it with a wide angle. So I'm switching to the Sony 10-18mm lens. I recently got this lens, and man, I have to tell you guys, I really like this lens. It's been staying on my camera a lot lately. And yeah, it was also raining a little bit this day. So when it rains, I really like to put a lens hood around, because nobody likes, raindrops on the glass. And here you can see me climbing over this fence like Tarzan. Anyways, here I'm trying, to create some sort of a frame for this house. And I like, as soon as I started, I was like, okay, let's try it like this. And then I'm like, nah, I don't really like it. I'm trying it here, and like, to be honest, I looked at the camera and I was like, I'm not feeling this. I edited though, like you can see, and I'm like, okay, this could work, but no. I like, to be honest, between us, because you know we're making this night now, I didn't like that. So I got my ass back over the fence because I have a vision in my head. I want to make this house a pop, you know. So I put the camera down on the ground, and this I like this. It creates a depth of field when the camera is so low, and boom, like you can see right now, this I like. I mean, the house is just a poppin', and what I created a radial filter around the house, and I dragged down the exposure, really putting the focus on that yellow house. And because it was such a cloudy day, like the sky is just dramatic as a I can't say that word.
You're damn right you can't say that word. Alright, so that's it for this video. This was super fun. If you guys haven't already checked out Evan's channel, you should definitely go do that. I'll link it down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. This means down below. I'll promise that I'll do my very best to answer you. Yeah, I like, man, this was fun. I think I'm just gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm out. See ya.